When I'm a little angry, I can be like that.
नाम है मेरा बुलेट
బుల్లెట్టా చెచ్చ 5 స్టార్ చాక్లెట్ లా ఉంది.
Yeah, right. Whatever I'll be the best.
నాకు ఈ అమ్మాయి బాగా నచ్చింది.
You don't reach there, but at least to try it. Love life? Oh, I don't understand that word.
All around love at first sight, Anandala Anubhavame.
Hello, this is Sakshi, and my hello to every viewer of India Glitz. It's always fantastic, you know, because when I was doing Potugadu also, so I always enjoy working people with the, you know, the production. So it's always nice to work in Telugu movies. I do have, in fact, I have like 4 action sequences in the movie. Yeah, so, and I enjoyed doing it. It was fun. It made me sign because of the character that I was playing, you know. As I told you, normally people don't get this kind of opportunity, and when I got it, I thought it was wonderful, and so yeah, I did it as soon as possible. She's a gangster. She's from Dubai.
माफ करने के लिए माई मदर तेरेसा नहीं नाम है मेरा बुलेट
And it's a story, you know, how from the gangster she comes to, you know, she comes to her family and how things proceed there. So it's interesting. It's very, and you know, it's got everything. I mean, emotional drama and the action sequences. I mean, it's very nice. It was wonderful. You know, I think for an actor, it's very important to have a comfort level with your other co-actor. Then the things work out very well, and the scenes come out perfectly. That's what chemistry is all about. So I had an enormous level of comfort level with him, and he's such a nice gentleman. And I don't think, you know, he's done, I guess it's his 49th movie, and he didn't make me feel as if, you know, I'm new into the industry or something. So it has been fantastic. Not a lot. When I'm a little angry, I can be like that. So that is why, you know, I could relate to the character in some way, not the gangster type, but the way she is. So so it was easy for me to perform the character. Oh yeah, in fact recently we were shooting in a lift, and it could have been bad, you know. I mean, there was some electric things, and then suddenly the lift started without us knowing, and some wires came out, and everybody got scared. So yeah, that is pretty interesting what happened. I had 1 day training with Vijay Master. He's a fantastic, by the way, master. So yeah, so that's it. 1 day, and then we were ready to roll. No, it was like, you know, he wanted like how I could perform the actions, and he wanted to see my body language, or if I can do it, or how well I can do it or not. So that's, I guess he took an idea, and then I mean, holding a gun, I don't think so. It's very technical, so it was all fine. No language. No, I think I somehow managed with the language, and now I can understand a little bit also. Only I guess the action sequences which I had to learn, and I'm getting better. So hopefully, you know, I'll get fantastic afterwards. So yeah. Uh, no, actually, I'm not doing it. Yeah. So, but I have other projects in Hindi. Yeah. I'm doing a film with Ismail Darbar. He's a music director, and he's coming as a producer and a director. So yeah, it's also a actress based role. Fortunately, I'm getting roles that are women oriented somehow. I don't know, and it's a very good thing in fact. So yeah. Yeah, because I just can't dance and do nothing in the movie. I want something to perform, and so that is why I took time on the script also that I was going to do.
कुछ 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 हो गया दिल में किच 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 हो गया पल में all around love at first sight आनंद आला अनुभव में.
If and wonderful, I'm lucky, I got this kind of script and I could continue with it. I do a lot of internet surfing. I mean, I like to know about the world, so I'm very much into the history and the cosmology. I'm a little technical in that way. Otherwise, I like to travel a lot. Wherever I can, I like to travel and read a lot. That's what I like to do. I like both. I like mountains, I like seas, because I was born in a place where I was surrounded by mountains and I was close to the rivers also. So I'm attached to everything that includes nature, I guess. Oh, I'm very much passionate about it. I mean, there were times when I could just backpack and just go alone, just for the trip. Oh, it was like 3 years back when I did not come into the industry. So I just took my bag and went to some hill station and spent a few days there. No, I went to McLeodganj. Yeah, it's near Dharamshala in Himachal. Yeah. Wonderful, I think I'm very comfortable being with myself. Some people say, oh, how can you go alone, or how can you watch a movie alone? I can do almost everything alone and I don't mind it. In fact, I feel much more happier if I do that. So yeah, the friends are okay, but I need my me time also. Kind of, yeah. In fact, I never saw Hyderabad before I came for Potugadu. So I had a different perception. I mean, I don't know how Hyderabad would be. And when I came here, it was such a lovely city. I mean, I in fact related to my hometown, Dehradun, because it's few areas are just like that. So I totally connected with it, and I tell everyone, Hyderabad is the best city to live in, not Bombay, not Delhi, Hyderabad. Actually, nothing new about it, So when I came through Glad Rags, then I did some few modeling things, and it was just 3-4 months, and then once I did a commercial. So I found that I enjoy doing commercial things more than what I do, a print shoot or something. So I was never into it. It did not excite me. And when I did commercial, I don't know, it gave me such a freedom to express myself. I just fell in love with it, and I knew that time that I had to do it no matter what. So I was just, I forgot everything, and this was my way. How did I got into it? Okay, so what happened was my brother was going for Glad Rags competition, my cousin brother. So he's like, come along. I just went along, and things happened. He didn't get into it, but I got into it, and I won. Somehow I won it. I don't know how did I do that, but I did. And then I came back to my college, and I was continuing with my study, and then I got it. Started getting calls from Bombay. So I don't know what happened to me. I still can't figure it out. How did I decide such a big step, that I'll go just, leave. I had a very, I didn't know, if I'll be able to give my exams, but I don't know what forced me to come to Bombay and continue with this. I'm still wondering but I guess it worked out well. Okay, I was born in Dehradun. I've spent uh, quite time there, and Haridwar also, in fact. And then in my college, I moved to Delhi. I stayed in hostel there. So, and my hostel days were fabulous. So, but when I was in third year, I shifted, not shifted exactly, but I got into it. I got into Gladrags, and then things happened. I still not have completed my degree because those people have not allowed me to, but I will, just the last exams, I will do that. And yeah, I think I've blessed with a very good life, nice life, and I'm thankful for. Oh, love life? Oh, I don't understand that word. I really don't. So, I mean, I'm very off in that sector till now. So, nothing as such. It's all about work. And yeah, that's it.
नाम है मेरा बुलेट
బుల్లెట్ చచ్చా 5 స్టార్ చాక్లెట్ లా ఉంది